Hello, friend.
If you're new, we'll teach you fun facts about elephants and panther. This is an elephant. This is a panther. Let's learn about fun facts about the elephant first. This is a forest elephant, and they have a family called a herd. He, Elephants are vegetarians. African home is much preferred. Now, this is a panther right here. Panther, a black panther from the Bobobo family. They live in South Africa and meat is what they eat. Hello. If you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe. And if you joined that video as much as I did, subscribe below. And have a jammy day.